When you carry your yarns up with your I-cord, you would usually drop the working yarn over the next yarn that you're going to pick up. But if you want to carry your yarn over 4 garter rows like this, most people just knit and then later carry the second yarn up. I don't particularly like it because you will get this longer strand of yarn going over your 4 garter rows like that. So I like to, before I work my 3rd garter row, I like to drop my yarn over the yarn that I'm carrying up like that, so that it makes a little twist. And then I like to knit with my yarn with that small twist at the back. So I then just knit as I normally would. And that carries this yarn a little bit up. And because I'm changing colors so frequently, it looks perfectly fine at the back. No very long strands, and my I-cord is still nice and stretchy. This technique is used in my Tranquility Cowl pattern. I have added the links to the pattern in the description box below this video. If you want to know how to change color when knitting I-cord as you go that wraps around your project, check out this video right here next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.